Guys, welcome to the channel The Pro Coder. This is Amit, and in today's video we are going to see how to download Bluej in Windows 10. Bluej is mainly used for running Java programs in a computer, and it is a very good software for beginners, those who are willing to know how Java works. They can download Bluej. I have been running Bluej for the past 2 years, and today in this video we will see how to download it. So firstly you have to open your web browser, that is the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or any of your web browsers which is available on your laptop, and then you have to go to the search bar and then just search for Bluej and just enter it. And as you can see, the first website is the official website present here, and so just click on it, Bluej, and it's opening. Okay, so here is the Bluej's official website. You can recognize it as it is written in bold here. So as you can see here, it shows me four options here. One is for Windows, one is for Mac OS, one is for Ubuntu Debian, and others. So as I'm having a Windows 10 laptop, so I'm just going to click on it. Before that, you need to check whether this web page is the official web page. For that, you have to see here. See, it's written here bluej.org, and lock symbol shows that it is secure. So, okay, connection is secure. This is the official website, and can just click on Windows, and here it will start downloading. Here it has started to download here. See, it has started to download here. It might take some time, uh, 10 minutes, and after it is downloaded, I will show you. So here it has completely downloaded, and see, it is downloaded here, and so let's go on to the download session. After opening the download session, you have to you can see here that the Bluej Windows has been installer has been completely successfully downloaded. It took me only 2 to 3 minutes to get downloaded. If you are having a good internet connection, then it will be very quick, and if it's not, then it might take some time. So what you have to do is just open it and run. Okay, so just select and click on install. Okay, and then it's loading. Okay, so it is making some space and checking for some space requirements. I have already downloaded the Bluej, so I don't know if it will again get downloaded. So let's see. Hmm. So here it has computed the space, and so by just clicking on, so it will be asking you some options here, install just for you and or for all users of this machine. So you can I have selected for this only, for single user, and yes, you can do this. It is quite easy. For select all and then click on next, and you can choose the file location. A C program is fine. If you want, you can create a separate folder for programs in D drive, F drive, or any other drive. So for now, let it be for C file, and then click on next, and now click on the install button, and it will be installed. Okay, and then the Bluej will open here. As seen, a Bluej version 4.2.2, Maybe you might be downloading the latest version. Always download the latest version for your computer and it's opening. So let's see. Opened. But here I have already downloaded Bluej 2 years back, so I'll be going here. But for you, it will be a fresh page there, and then you have to click on the new class, and you can start coding. So thank you. I hope you liked my video, and if you like my video, then click on the like button, and if you're new to the channel, then click on the subscribe button for latest updates of these types of programs. Bye.